All right, folks, so we're going to take a look at a very cool product today. Maintaining your catalytic converter, especially once you get past 100,000 miles, is going to be key, and they're very expensive to replace as well these days. And it's definitely a thing where, hey, if we can use a product to kind of help and maintain that catalytic converter, it's just going to be easier for us in the long term. Now, LiquiMoly here, I'm a big fan of their products. I've been a heavy user of their products now for years and years. And I believe it's contributed to the success of me being able to run a bunch of European cars past 200,000 miles and also have them run very well to the point where, you know, even with all the mileage on them, they're still running as good as anything. So this catalytic system cleaner here, one thing you need to understand is there are two different products out there that LiquiMoly puts out. There is a catalytic system cleaner, okay, this is not it. This is the catalytic system clean. The cleaner is a product that is more for mechanics to use. If you have the mechanical aptitude, cool, but it's a product more where you plumb it into your fuel system and directly have it sucked kind of into the intake and all that when the vehicle's running. So a little more of a complicated product to use. Like I said, it's more for mechanics and stuff. This is a product the average person out there can easily use to maintain their catalytic converter, and it is the catalytic system clean. So make sure you know the difference between the two products. So catalytic system clean, very simple to use. I'll show you how to do it here in just a sec. But the whole idea behind it is to basically keep that catalytic system running cleaner. From their testing, and what they've shown is that the particulate matter coming out the tailpipe is cleaner once you use this product. And once you use it, it should have an effect for, I think it's 2,000 kilometers or so. So for me, I have found it's worked very well. Let me show you how to use it. Very simple. Now, the nice thing with LiquiMoly products is they actually give you a little funnel right here. And also too, so there are two tabs here at the top that you got to squeeze in and then rotate the top off. And then they also have a pull tab inside of here that you have to get. Screw your little funnel on right here, and then into the fuel tank we go. Make sure we dump the whole thing in there, and then that is it. So what you'll need to do with this is I think I've got about 3/4 of a tank in here right now. I'm just going to run that tank all the way down to empty. Not going to use any other fuel additives or anything, and I'm just going to let this do its job. And then 1,500, 2,000 miles down the road, I'll use another can of it. So anyways, folks, definitely check this out. Keep that catalytic converter clean, and you know, LiquiMoly, to make great products, definitely check them out.